using the College of Business ADG top tips and feedback templates. The templates are accessible from the Canvas Commons, which is a place for users to share learning resources. Click Commons in the global navigation menu. Select the RMIT University Consortium link and type the search term feedback and then press enter. Click the top tips and feedback link. You can import the module into one, some, or all of your courses. Select the required destination courses and then click Import to Course. Navigate to a course that you have selected as a destination for the templates. The top tips and feedback module is accessed in the modules section of your course. Scroll to the bottom of the page to view the module. It may take a couple of minutes for the module to appear once you've imported it from the Commons. Inside the imported template there are 4 pages. The top tips template for assessment top tips, the feedback template for assessment feedback. There's also an icon list and themes page, which is a descriptive list of all the icons and themes for their use. Back on the module page, it is recommended that you make a copy of the template. Select Duplicate from the corresponding 3-dot menu. In case any of the web elements in the page you are editing stop working, you can delete that copy and start again. Click on the duplicated page. The top tips page template can be used to provide students with information that can help them succeed in an assessment. Click Edit. In the blue area, type in your course code. Below this, select the placeholder text and type in the assessment number and the assessment name, the top tips to students for success in their assessment. Each tip has space for title, a brief description, and an icon that you can select to represent that theme. In this video, I am copying and pasting the tips from a file that I created earlier. To replace an image, click on the Images link and the available icons will be listed at the top of the list. Ensure you only select from this list of icons, those that start with the underscore character, as they are sized to fit the infographic perfectly. Rename your page. Save your page. Now that the infographic is complete, you can distribute it to students. Click Edit to open up the infographic. Now you can click anywhere inside the rich text editor and perform the Select All shortcut. This is Control A for a PC and Command A in a Mac. And then copy the infographic, Control C for a PC and Command C for a Mac. In this example, we will place the copied infographic as close to the assessment as possible in the assignment brief. Go to the assignment and edit the assignment settings. Add a title, in this instance I'm typing top tips, and then paste that infographic into that area using Control V to paste for a PC and Command V for a Mac. Save your assignment settings. You can also paste the infographic in an announcement. To encourage discussion on the assessment, allow your students to comment on the top tips infographic that you've placed in your announcement. You could also put the infographic in a discussion board to encourage class discussion on the assessment. Editing the feedback template is done in a similar manner to the top tips template. Use this template post-assessment to provide assessment feedback to your student cohort. Thank you.